What's up, guys? So, due to the current pandemic, it is very hard and very tedious for people to go outside to look for their food just to avoid the spread of the COVID-19. So, for the past couple of weeks now, I've been doing some research on my own to find out ways in which you can earn money at the comfort of your home, and I think I actually find out a way. So I'm going to be sharing the platform now, and all you just need for this is just your smartphone and a good internet connection so that you can be able to browse and surf on the internet. So the name of this site is called LPV Forum, and this site will literally just pay you for just reading and commenting on news on their website. So isn't that cool, guys? I mean, one thing is that you just need to pay a registration fee of just 1,500 naira for the people in Nigeria, and for other countries just $2 to $3 you're done, and you can start earning a huge amount of money. So I'm going to walk you through the process. So I'm going to drag you to my phone, and now we'll discuss the rest. So now on my phone, and what I'm trying to show you is actually very simple. So I'm going to open my browser now. Let me make it landscape. So I'm going to go to my browser and type LPV forum. See, it just come out. That means you click it. And you can see. And I'm gonna show you my dashboard. I just created this account yesterday. So, and I've made up to 800 or 900 naira from it. So I'm gonna register my account. Log in. I'm already registered. So see my username and my password. I'm clicking login. What is this? See, account logged in successfully. So I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'll show you guys something. Click on this. I'm going to click on the home button. Okay. So let me show you my dashboard. Why isn't this opening? Okay, maybe I'll click on something. You can see my dashboard. I have 1,446 naira. So this is my dashboard as of today. So I'm still going to work today. I just want to show you guys something. So this is my referral link, which I'm gonna copy and I'll paste it on all my social media platforms. So you can earn money by posting something here, referring someone, and sharing of sponsored posts. They don't have any sponsored posts today. So when you share any when you share sponsored posts, you get payment. You get paid, so you can earn money, and it's directly through your bank account. It's not through PayPal or something like that nature. No, it's directly through your bank account. So you can earn money by referring someone and by sharing sponsored posts and by commenting on their page. By commenting on posts on their page. Like now, when you click on the home button, you'll see them. And you also get earn money by logging in. Daily login, you earn money. So all I need to do is just to read all this blah blah blah. Then after reading, I go down oh see, did you actually read the post? No, I didn't read it. So you read this. I don't want to waste much of your time, but when you finish reading this, you go down and there will be a place and there will be a box where you can type in something and comment, and when you comment, immediately you get paid. So that's just all I need to show you guys. Hi guys, so if you're still wondering on ways which you can earn more money, I'll leave a link down below to another video which I made. So go to the description box right now and click on the second link down. But if you're excited about this site and really want to start earning money from it, I also recommend you to go down to the description box and click on the first link, which is my referral link, and it will take you to the site and you can start registering and start earning a huge amount of money. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's earn some money.